What the brap is up, you little brapsters? Cody with two wheels in a tent. Today we've got Showdown. This ad is sponsored by SUNGLIFE. They sent me this free, full disclosure, but they told me to do an honest review. So we're going to open this up. And then this I purchased is another battery charger. It's solar. So we're going to try them out on this Utah BDR trip. Real quick, we'll open up the SUNGLIFE. This is an emergency radio that is supposed to be able to charge solarly. You can charge it by USB. You can also use regular batteries, and you're supposed to be able to crank charge it. So I thought this would be a real cheap made thing, but we'll see if it works. I mean, it's pretty compact and could be useful. It looks like you can change how it is using power here. I don't know that I would ever use the radio feature. Honestly, these buttons seem really cheap, but the actual unit itself, not too bad. Oh, it's also got a light. So there's that, and then we have the wireless desk charger and a crazy dog. Say hi, Deej. Deej, leave it, buddy. We'll get into this. My buddy Chris, when I was at Valley of the Gods, had one of these, and he liked it. I think it takes about 8 hours to charge fully by solar. This also has a light, and you can charge 2 devices at once. Also, you can charge it by USB. Solar in an emergency. So, I'm going tomorrow to the Utah BDR. I'll be using both of these, and I will report back to you.
Right now it's Pat Benatar.
So I'm back from the trip, and I'm going to do a quick little overview of both of the battery chargers that I took on the road. First, we'll start with this one. A link will be in the description below, but this is the first multi-day trip I have taken on the bike while filming, which I always do on multi-day trips. Never had a day where the GoPro batteries weren't dead at some point until I took this guy. This thing is awesome. I hung it off the handlebars one day to solarly charge, and it slowly did. I didn't time it, but man, charging 2 things at once. I had 3 GoPro batteries in one charger into one port, and my headset Bluetooth, and this thing was awesome. Then I charged my phone, and it still had over half left. So pretty awesome. The SUNGLIFE is pretty cool. I actually charged this battery charger off of this one day, but the solar feature, as well as regular batteries you can use, and the crank charger, awesome backup. I'm not going to be using the radio. I can see in an emergency, like at home, if you get a hurricane, earthquake, something coming, you can listen to the radio. But while this is a little bulkier and not my first choice for motorcycle camping, I definitely see the value in it, mainly because of the crank charge. It's kind of not real fun, a little noisy, but in a pinch, it will charge up your phone, whatever you need. So that's my take on that. I'd suggest picking one of these up for a backup. And if you're a motovlogger or just traveler, you need to charge GoPros, phones, GPSs, and your dual sport doesn't have a ton of outputs for that like mine, this thing rocks. So both good choices. I'll leave links below. I've got a ton of videos coming up, Utah BDR and some crazy canyon rides and some tutorials. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, and share the heck out of these videos. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers shortly before I meet up with my buddy Tim again. And that's where we're at. So stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.